Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to embed a site or a widget using the Wix editor. This is the best way to bring in external tools like custom calculators, social feeds, or even entire external web pages in a window. These steps relate perfectly to each other to help you integrate outside content seamlessly. First, you need to add the embed element to your page. Go to your editor and click the Add Element button. From the menu, select Embed Code and then click on Popular Embeds. You have two main choices here. Embed HTML if you have a specific snippet of code for a widget, or embed a site if you want to display an entire external web page in a window. Just click your choice to drop it onto your canvas. Next, you need to set up the connection. Once the box appears on your page, click on it to see the settings. If you chose HTML, click Enter Code and paste your snippet into the box. If you chose to embed a site, click Enter Website Address and paste the full URL. It is vital to remember that Wix only supports HTTPS addresses for security. If the site you are trying to embed doesn't show up, it's likely because that specific website has a security policy that prohibits being iframed or displayed inside another site. The final connected step is the styling and optimization. You can drag the corners of the embed box to resize it exactly how you want it to look on your page. For accessibility, always enter alt text under the What's in the Embed section so screen readers can describe the content to visually impaired users. Once you hit apply, make sure to switch to the mobile editor. Embedded content can sometimes scale strangely on smaller screens, so you may need to manually adjust the height and width to ensure your mobile visitors can still interact with the widget. That is literally it. If this guide helped you bring more functionality to your site, please smash that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you're having trouble getting a specific widget to load, and I will see you in the next video.